Hi, my name is Ian McIver. I am with Bosch Home Comfort Group. I am the water source heat pump product manager, and I just wanted to introduce you today. This is our RL series unit. This unit is focused on serviceability, and we start with this new slide out blower that we have in our unit. This is made to get the blower out of your way anytime you're working on the unit or if you need to service the blower. The next serviceable feature that we've really tried to focus is being able to get the electronics out of the way. So we've introduced a swing out electrical box so that anytime you need to get to the center of the unit, you can really get better accessibility by getting these controls out of your way. A couple other features that I want to point out and talk about for serviceability. We've improved the serviceability of our air coiler section, and we've also added serviceability by relocating the TXV to a more convenient location. Overall, improving the ease to work on this unit and overall satisfaction that you guys can have to work on it. Thank you very much for viewing our product. Check out our website for more information.